Hi students, are you struggling with your course planning? Is the curriculum provided by the school too confusing and ambiguous? Unsure of what you want to take for your specialization? And also when do you want to take your focus areas as well? Introducing ModBearable, your ultimate course planner companion. So, features include course timetable overview, degree requirement checker, course dependency check, and import and export of course plan. The course timeline overview shows you the suggested study plan for all the semesters, including what course you can take and in which semester. In this demonstration, the onboarding process will customize the suggested study plan for you. The timeline is also interactive as you can drag courses around and plan what to take accordingly. As you can see from this demonstration, you can drag course by clicking on the plus icon. The degree requirement checker shows you the current number of units you currently plan and the total number of units you need to take to graduate. The website features a course dependency check to visualize what courses you need to take as a prerequisite before taking the courses that you want to take. For example, if you want to take CS 2030S, you need to take CS 111S first. The core feature of this planner is schedule, add courses and validate courses. For example, I want to take CS 4226. I click on validate. I realize I cannot take because I'm missing one prerequisite, which is CS 2105. So let's add CS 2105. So in this demo, I'm adding it now to semester 5. So you know that you cannot take a prerequisite in the same semester as the course you want to take. So when you click on validate, this won't work. So one way you can solve this is to drag the prerequisite the previous semester and click on validate, which works. Or another method is to click on schedule, which automatically helps you to plan the course for you based on your prerequisites. This is more convenient and is a nice feature. In the event that you want to take the course, you can also delete the course from your planner. Once you have done planning, you can export your plan as a URL and use the URL another time to plan the mods if you want to. As you can see from this demo, you can use the URL in any browser anywhere. So a basic demonstration is what the onboarding will look like for A-level and IB students. It's quite short and quick. As you can see, the plan is already there. For Polytechnic students onboarding, the process is a little longer as we need to know your diploma first and your QAT score. This will also factor in our advanced placement credit generation depending on which course, which diploma you are from, and also the QAT band, whether you need to take the English courses. So looking at the demo, you can see that this person has exemptions from his Polytechnic diploma. Moving on to software engineering practices. Version control was a critical part of our workflow. We use Git and GitHub to manage our codebase, employing branching strategies and pull requests to maintain a clean and stable main branch. This practice not only facilitated seamless collaboration between team members but also ensured that our code was consistently reviewed and of high quality. Another software engineering practices is file organization. Since we are using the recommended Next UI app template, project file organization has been largely resolved for us. Our file organization follow best practices with a clear separation between front-end and back-end components. For instance, all back-end APIs were housed in a dedicated directory, while front-end elements were organized within the components folder. This structure made the codebase more maintainable and easier to navigate. We also leverage design patterns to handle complex interaction. The observer pattern was particularly useful in managing state changes within our React components, ensuring that updates were efficiently propagated throughout the UI. Additionally, the validator pattern helped us decouple components, allowing for a more modular and flexible design. Security was another key focus. We manage sensitive information such as database credentials through .nvex. This allows us to securely store and inject environment variables across different deployment environments, reducing the risk of exposure. Finally, rigorous testing was essential to our deployment process. We conducted comprehensive API testing, unit testing, and integration testing to ensure the robustness of our application. This helped us to catch and resolve issues early, delivering a reliable and polished product. Thanks for watching, and I hope you'll find this planner useful for your course planning.